Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, I'm in my car because I started noticing some weird quirky issues coming up yesterday, meaning I was having all kinds of check bulb issues, to say the least. Now, coming in my car, I am going through the multiple list of everything. First, it was a reverse taillight malfunction. Now it's every turn signal, brake light, and what's weird is that of course, it will blink fast because there's something going on. Now, I do have LEDs in there, but they are canvas, and they have worked perfectly fine for the last 2 years. I have to further diagnose that to see if they're just no good anymore and I need to just replace them. But what's strange is so of course you'll get the hyper flash when you click on it. That's a given if there's a taillight malfunction or whatever, a turn signal malfunction. So I see that, but when I do my hazards lights, they'll actually work perfectly fine. So that's just really strange. When I lock my car and unlock them, all turn signals flash. So all the ones that they're saying that there's a malfunction or something going on, they're technically still working. So I have to further diagnose that piece and see just what I need to do. My first plan of attack is to probably replace those sections of the bulbs. I'll start with the LEDs first, since those can be somewhat problematic, to say the least. So I'm going to try to do that, and then work to the rear taillights and see what I need to fix there. So I'm going to be buying all the bulbs, and probably the module down to my rear third taillight would be airing out, so I'll have to probably replace that. So I'm gonna be getting that stuff, buying those things, and then you'll see that process as far as how to change those certain bulbs. It's very simple stuff, but if I can find a different LED light and stuff like that as far as turnstone goes, then you can see that and you get my review. Well guys, there's the update. More to come on that piece. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Check you later, and take care.